Dennis Murray was very interested in taking part in the demonstration. Just grab the other arm, Senator. Hey Dan, can you go to the left of Matt? About 30 feet, yes. You won't need it. You won't really be part of the action. Okay. Just go position yourself between Matt and Dan. We try to expose our dogs to different scenarios to have them think a little bit. And in this case, we're going to try to prove that Dude isn't interested in equipment. That what she really wants is the person that's fleeing the scene. So, Dan, just do a little bit of back and forth. Jennifer, you can stand still. And Dan, take a little jog away. Go ahead, Matt. You did well. Good job. And she can move the arm, Matt. So this will conclude our short demonstration.